Is your drone feeling sluggish, tired of unreliable flights? The Radiolink Pixhawk PIX 2. 4. 8 APM 32-bit flight controller with GPS M8N SE100 is the game changer you've been waiting for. This powerful FC offers unparalleled stability and precision for 6 to 8 axis multi-rotors and quadcopters. Unlock smoother, more responsive control and experience the difference a top-tier flight controller makes. For just $171. 01. Transform your drone into a high-performance machine. Don't settle for less, upgrade today.